Hi everyone, Vic here from MyEnglishTeacher.eu. Today I'm going to share an English idiom with you. The English idiom is time flies. Now, time flies means that you feel or experience as if time is moving fast. But actually time doesn't move fast or time doesn't move slowly. It moves the same speed all the time, right? But when you say time flies, usually it's connected to something or an experience or an action that makes you feel like time is moving quickly. For example, you can say time flies when you're at dinner with friends, or time flies when you're watching a movie, right? Can you think of any other time where time flies? Leave it in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.
Time flies translation. In English. In Spanish.
El tiempo vuela.
In French.
Le temps passe.
In Italian.
Il tempo vola.
In German.
Zeit vergeht.
In Portuguese.
O tempo voa.
In Russian.
Время летит.
In Chinese.
时间飞逝.
In Japanese.
時間早い.
In Polish.
Czas leci.
Time flies sentence examples. I can't believe it's almost time to go home. It's funny how time flies when you're having fun. Are you sure that 2 hours at the mall with your friends will be enough? You know that time flies when you're having fun. Time flies synonyms. Time passes. Time goes by. Time flies means time passes very quickly. When you are having a great time with your friends and loved ones, you can say time flies when you're having fun. Because you were having such a great time, you forgot to look at the time. As a result, you can say time flies when you're having fun. Thank you for watching today's video.